Hey everybody, and welcome back to Miss D's Pantry. And today I have a recipe for avocado toast. This is a simple, easy recipe. Before we get started, make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And just to let you know, my videos are not for kids, so you need an adult to watch these or to follow along. So we're going to start by melting some butter in a pan. And then you're going to grab some bread. Now, I'm just using regular white bread, but you can use brioche. You can use sourdough. You can go to the bakery and get whatever kind of bread that you like. But you're going to put this on about medium to medium low. And you're just going to cook it on each side in the butter until it turns golden brown. Make sure that you watch this because at any second your bread can burn. So once the bread is done, we're just going to put it to the side. And you can also put this in a toaster if you like, but I tend to toast my bread in butter in a pan. I just like the flavor that it gives. So we have one avocado, and we have some onions and some bell peppers, the mini ones. And I took half the avocado and I cut it in like these little pretty fan, and then the other half I'm just going to actually add to this bowl with the pepper that's in the pepper grinder and some kosher salt. I'm also going to add a little bit of Thai chili sauce just to give it a little sweetness and a little spiciness. I'm going to mash this until it looks like a mashed avocado or spread. I'm going to cut the bread in half. You don't have to do this depending on what kind of bread you use, but I'm going to use that mashed avocado and just spread it on the bread. I'm using this to act as a binder for the next step. If you're not interested in adding any more to it, then you can just stop here. Just have your mashed avocado on some toast. So there's no rules. You can get as creative as you like with avocado toast. I've seen, meat on it, fish, bacon, all kinds of things. So get creative as you like. And I'm going to take the pieces that I fanned out and I'm just going to put them on top of the bread. Just going to help add a little bit of texture to my toast. And then I'm going to add my peppers and onions, and this is just going to add a little bit of crunch. If you pickle those, that would add a little bit of acidity to it. That'd be nice as well. So after that, I'm going to go ahead and take this pepper in the pepper grinder, and I'm just going to put a little bit on top to season my avocado. And you can also add some salt as well. But that is it. That is all that I did on my avocado toast. All right, so as you can see, that was a pretty simple recipe. Something good for breakfast, a snack, anything like that. Let me know if you guys enjoy these mini mukbangs that I throw into these videos sometimes. It was delish, by the way. Make sure that you guys check the description box below. I will have my links down there as well as the recipe that is written on my blog, which I update pretty frequently. So you guys can follow me over there because sometimes I add recipes that I don't make videos for. My Instagram will also be down there. And thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share and like this video. And I will see you guys in the next one.